O teraz to do dupy! Lay there, you alright? What's going on? Where's it sore? Talk to me.
I don't think anything's broken.
Yeah, just lay there.
Is anything sticking out here?
No, you're alright.
Looking good?
Bit of gravel rash.
That's right. So anything...
No, you look good. Lay there. A little bit of love. Oh, it's been recording the whole time.
Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, that's love. Have a look in there. I'm not, it's not.
I hope I got that.
Why? You alright? You alright? What are you doing?
Whoa! Yo!
You get that?
Oh, yo, you okay, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Yo.
fucking bitch.
It's going to be Nicoletti right here. He goes down, and
oh man, he got piled into by Ramos. Watch this.
yeah, Ramos gets him right there. Look like,
Oh man.
oh, and then Alberg also. Cooper gets into him. Another look.
That's a scary moment, but we're happy to report to Phil Nicoletti, the rider.
Well, the rhythm section claims another. Oh boy,
man. Hang on, Tyler. Wow, what a ride.
oh, he's right in the middle of the pack. Got a pretty good start. He gets stood up there as him and Roxon both go. Roxon goes down. Tomac goes down. I believe that's Pike down also.
Malcolm Stewart was in there.
He's going to return the favor, but it does not go well. Look, it's almost like he slides in there and then just lets the bike go. Watch, his arm goes all the way
inside
between
the swing arm.
between the swing arm and the rear.
Oh man. Oh man, Ken Roxon, look at the jersey, just shredded. And the Alpine Star medical team talking to him, trying to help him. Brock, let's see what happened here, Jeff.
Left side of your screen. Oh, they get together, and that was Weston Pike.
Always seen him through his professional career if he can close it out.
Oh no, Baggett! Big problems, and he is off the number 4.
See what happens. Oh, he almost goes over the bar. Oh, bam. How about the great start by Rodriguez? Oh, and then he goes
Tipping
down.
over as Rodriguez gets run over by Osborne. That's Osborne on the ground.
Massive
He's up and
pileup.
going again.
Look right here. Bam.
Oh, man.
Looks like Rodriguez gets into Sizemore, and watch the 174 of Osby. He goes into our camera.
Cross the finish line jump this time. Will it be the same? Oh! And Faulkner makes a big mistake.
Well, this happened, all the pressure. Faulkner loses his concentration as he's trying to go past the lap rider. Just got distracted. Just crossroads a little bit right there, but that's just rider error. And I just can't help but think that it was the pressure that Osborne was putting on.
Watch the first green bike here.
Faulkner is, oh, he just gets wide all by himself. And Osborne, look at where he's at. Take a look at that replay. Bam, right?
Osborne, second place. He leads the overall points. Oh no! Faulkner down again.
Take a look as he goes to jump through the first set of whoops. Oh, his right hand comes off the bars straight away.
And Jeff, watch the bike come after him and hit his arm right. Hit Osborne a week ago in Minneapolis. Oh no!
Oh, he gets in the rut and then just gets a little huckabuck going. The bars start to twist,